This is, hey, go ahead. Go ahead, go.
Go.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we're going to be doing chicken nugget challenge.
Whoever eats the 20 piece first in 5 minutes.
In 5 minutes, so
Time is gonna start.
remember to subscribe, like, and share.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yep.
Put the timer on. Show the timer.
On the timer for 2.
5 minutos. 5 minutos. 5 minutes.
Ready?
I'll count. Ready, set, go. Mommy.
Yo, y'all eat like y'all ready.
Ew, they're exhausted.
Y'all eat like nuggets y'all sold. Almost done.
They're exhausted.
I'm already used to this.
I bet. Ew.
Then goes back. Then goes back. Nah, I'm gonna look like a fucking.
You look like a fucking look at your soul.
I look like a grease ball already.
It's 4 minutes, you guys.
I'm not and you dip it.
You're full.
I'm getting full.
You're getting full.
What is this?
Why is you dipping sour cream and barbecue like?
That's nice.
It was actually my first time trying sweet and sour.
We're not talking about your life. We're talking about calories.
No, I don't go first.
Guys, thinking I already. She gives up.
Start timer is now.
It's like, what's your hospital? You're doing entertaining, right?
It's like,
I can't breathe.
you're about to have a chicken nugget baby.
Mommy.
You can't breathe.
Mom. That's
No
Jason.
water. No water.
Mommy. Mom.
He's looking at me. Nigga, I'm winning.
Yeah, you eat this real fast. You love your husband.
Yo, so, nigga's going 2 in 1 mouth. See, look at that. We have a cheater. Don't be cheating, nigga. Sorry,
We have
bro.
to too.
It's so good, you guys.
No hope. There's no hope. No hope. Yo, look at y'all face.
You guys are sweaty.
I'm not sweating.
This is like plastic. Yeah,
So I do the challenge.
Yeah, how are you thinking?
I need water. You think it's water, Tommy?
No, you gotta swallow that. Chew, swallow.
That's in my heart. So sorry. Platy's getting help to cities.
No, she only gave me one.
I'm sorry, but I need water.
Oh, guys, this is the one from the Baby Mama Challenge. The one that's on World Star.
Isn't that cute?
This time I'm not pregnant. I'm on birth control.
No, there you go. I'm going to see you. Stop it.
How many minutes? I didn't even look at the
I think
time.
you're not cheated.
Cheated?
It's actually 1 minute.
Oh my god. She said I cheated. Cheated where? I'm already used to this.
She won.
Stop the time because she won.
Well, no, I didn't. I'm not done yet. I'm done.
No,
Stop
you're
the timer.
not done. Not fully done because you gotta
I
swallow
know, not
that
her mouth.
shit. So now you better start stepping up.
Oh, sorry,
Your mom's so excited.
You are sick.
Here.
Stop it. I'm done.